How to reset keyboard settings on Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on a device and simply swipe up, and you can simply see the option of additional settings over here. Tap on it. Now tap on the option of languages and input over here, and here you can see your current keyboard. You can simply tap on manage keyboards, and here you can simply switch for any keyboards that you'd want and toggle off another keyboard if you do not want it. So as you do that, what you can simply do is you can simply go back and tap on the option of connection and sharing over here, and simply scroll down to tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So tap on it, and here you can simply tap on reset settings, where your even keyboard get reset on your Xiaomi. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.